Okay, to start things off, we're going to go with the centerpiece here first on the back of the tank. You can feel you drop this in, and it too has a nice puzzle fit. You can see right here there are no gaps in the line as far as the mating goes to the tank. And right here at the bottom, we line right up on the apex of that radius. You just bring it in, drop it in like that, bring it over. It fits quite snug. So as far as the adhesive goes for this, we're going to want to apply 4 dots in the 4 corners of the part, making a square. Approximately 4 to 5 millimeter dot right here, right around 10 millimeters from the edge, approximately ½ inch. And go to these 4 points right here. Now the reason why we do dots is so if you ever care to remove it, it's a lot easier to then break the dot, and then you have surface area exposed that then allows you to have some leverage for the other 2 dots. We have found this to work best. So let's go ahead and apply about a 6 millimeter dot, about 10 millimeters from the edge there. Same on this side. Same on the down here. And same right down here. Now because these have a nice puzzle fit, there's no need for alignment tape or points up here. Just go ahead and bring it in. We look pretty close. Shift it side to side if you feel you need to locate better on center. And I would say we're pretty good right there. Now, using 2 pieces of electrical tape, approximately 12 inches long. Come on in. Then pull it into the tank. Doesn't have to be super tight. Just needs to be a little bit of resistance to prevent that from moving. Let's go ahead and for safekeeping, let's go ahead and put a second piece on. Double check our alignment on center. Now allow this a good 10 to 12 hours to set up. Reason being is when we come in to set our side grip extension parts up, we need to remove this tape, and we definitely don't want that moving. After 10 to 12 hours, it'll be secured down well, and you'll be able to assemble the side grip extensions with confidence that that's not going to move. Okay, now we're going to go ahead, do the second part of the installation here. Come in, set the side grip on, the grip extension. I've allowed these overnight to set up, a good 10 hours. Go ahead and save these 2 pieces of tape for the side grip. So now these are pretty much, or they are, a puzzle fit. Comes in, drops in. There's really only one place for it. You'll feel it. So there's no need for alignment. Now where we're going to put the adhesive dots, I'm going to put one about 1/4 of an inch up here on the nose. Come in right here, second one here, third one up here on kind of the flat profile of it. Another one here, and then 2 here. So we'll come in, put our first one here, about 5 millimeters, 5-6 millimeters. Second one right there. Put one a little bit bigger since this is going to be primary point of stress. Put one here in the middle. And then these 2 down here, all of them are about, yeah, it was a little too close. About 10 millimeters from the edge, 1/2 inch. Okay, let's go ahead and bring it on in. Points are going to line up at the bottom there. Bring it in, you can wiggle it a little bit. You'll feel it fall into place. A little bit of adhesive right there. Just go ahead and scoop that out. So now we're in place. It wiggles right in there. Check around the edges, no gaps. Come around on the back side here. We're clean right here. Everything's clean up there. So now, let's go ahead and tape it down with some electrical tape. So I'm going to put one right across middle right here. Again, it doesn't need to be super tight. Just needs to lay over the part to give it some resistance. I don't want to slide anywhere. You can see, or you'll feel, the adhesive, thick silicone is able to fall right into place. Around there, no edges. I'm going to go ahead and put the second one right across here. Get it up inside that. And then we'll go ahead, lock the other side down as well, just like we did this one. Go ahead and double check that again. Lines up good. It's right on the seam. We'll go ahead and do the left. And the last step will be coming in and putting the grip patch in. Give these a good 10-12 hours to set up before we do the grip patch. Overall, we want the adhesive to set for a good 48 hours. Make sure everything's secure, and then you'll be able to ride. Okay, final step of the process. Let's go ahead and apply the tank grip onto the side. Let's go ahead and remove our tape. We've given this a good 10 hours. Setup time. It's not going to move on us now. So we're going to come on in with our grip pad here. Bring it in, we're going to locate it about 1/4 of an inch from the edge of the extension piece. 1/4 of an inch from the radius down there. Now we're going to use this corner right here as an anchor point. And when we anchor this down, we need to make sure that this line lines up parallel down on the bottom here. And you're going to see this concave surface right here, the tank, is going to cause a little bit of trouble. You got to just work with it slowly. We're going to work up, and then we're going to go out, and then we're going to go up, peeling this back and rolling that into place. Just take your time, a little bit at a time, small steps. Let's bring it in here. Looks nice and parallel right there. We're about 6 millimeters, 1/4 of an inch from the edge. We look good and parallel right down here. So now let's go ahead and anchor this down. Now let's just go ahead, lay down the rest of the adhesive that's exposed, making sure things stay parallel up there. Make sure that down here we're parallel on that line. And again, just go a little bit at a time. Let's expose about half of the more of the adhesive on the back, laying it down on the front / bottom line, rolling this back, pushing it in to that concave surface, so a little bit at a time. Bottom down here is looking parallel. We're looking good up here. Just keep pulling it back, inching it down. Now I'm going to focus on the center of that concave surface. I want to make sure we're getting to the bottom of it, so we don't want the material bridging that gap. Peel more of the back liner off. I'm going to work right here in center of the grip pad. Work that up. And there you go. Apply the same process to the other side, and you will be good to go. Enjoy your ride. Now you are ready to go. Enjoy your ride.